What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you what does restrict mean on Instagram. So you might be wondering, what is the difference between block and restrict someone on Instagram? So here is exactly what does that mean, and I'm going to explain to you guys and show you an example, or like I'm going to show you an example of what happens when you restrict someone. So let me show you guys. As you can see here, guys, when I click on my sticker on my Instagram, let's say that I want to restrict one of my friends. As you can see here, I can just click three little dots in the top right. Now, as you can see here, guys, in the top it says here restrict. So when you click restrict, you will receive a message here. As you can see here, only you and Nordin, which is the name of my friend, can see their new comments on your posts, as well as their replies to stickers in your stories. Their chat is no longer in your chat list, but you can still search for it. You can unrestrict them for the profile. So what this means, guys, is if this person leaves a comment on your post, you and him are going to see the comment, but other people won't be able to see the comments of this person that you have restricted on your posts. Okay, so if you want, like, when you restrict someone, this person won't be able to see your last scene. I mean, your last when you are online, they won't be able to see when you are online. Also, guys, if you restrict someone, when you send a message to this person, when someone like restrict you, your new direct messages to them will appear in a message request folder rather than in a regular chat. So the person who restricted you won't be notified of any new messages. So if someone restricted you, you won't be notified of any messages. Okay, so like when you send a message, they are not going to see it. Okay, like they are not going to see it. They will see it in a request folder rather than in a regular chat. And also activity state, you won't be able to see activity state. When you restrict someone, this person won't be able to see your activity state. So they won't see your last scene and other things like that. So guys, that's exactly what restrict mean on Instagram. Hopefully, guys, this video helped you. See you guys in the next